Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Vasagle small side table with 3 shelves. Installation was really easy. It probably took less than 10 minutes, and it's maybe one of the easiest pieces of furniture I've ever put together. Let me try to give you a little bit of a close-up here. Now this is a really nice little table, and it looks very rustic. Now the wood, this is that engineered wood. It's not the real wood, but it is very solid. And the frame, this looks like it's powder-coated metal frame, and I don't see any imperfections there or the wood. It looks real nice. They've done a very good job of making this furniture, and I think it would look good probably just about any room of your house. Let's do a real-world measurement. It is about 13.5 by right at 12. The height is right at 23 inches. I'm giving this Vasagle table a thumbs up and a recommend. I think it'd look good anywhere in your home. So if you're looking at this table, I hope you found this video helpful.